Basically, what we have here is we're given a formula to use, okay, and this is what's called the formula of a line, okay. And the formula of the line basically means is that we need a line that has a slope of 2, which means it goes 1 across and 2 up every time, a positive slope, and it has to go through the point 4, 1. So we're going to get the equation line using this formula: y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. And here's what we're going to use. First of all, we need to know the slope. We know the slope is 2. The next thing we need to know is what's the x1, y1 value. Well, it's always the point that's actually on the line. Any point that's on the line will do. So we're going to use y minus 1 equals 2 into x minus 4. Then we're going to get y minus 1 equals 2x minus 8. Then we're going to move it all over one side. So we're going to get minus 2x plus y. We're going to get minus 1, and we're going to move the 8 over the other side. So it's going to be minus 1 plus 8 equals 0. Then we're going to get minus 2x plus y. And minus 1 plus 8 is plus 7. That's one answer. You can multiply both sides by minus to get another acceptable answer. So the last two lines, either answer is acceptable. Next thing I'm going to do is question 2. I'm going to use the same formula again, except different points and different slope. This time it has a slope of 3, which means that the line in question will be going 1 across and 3 up every time. So it'll be quite a steep slope, and it has to go through the point minus 1, minus 1. So x1 is minus 1, y1 is minus 1, and the m value is 3. So it's going to be 3 into x. Now remember, it's a double minus. It's minus minus 1, which is a plus 1. Likewise, up here, it's a minus minus 1 as well, which will make that a plus 1. So this one's going to be 3 plus 1 equals 3x plus 3. Move everything to the left. So we're going to get we're going to get minus 3x plus y plus 1 minus 3 equals 0. Minus 3x plus y, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 equals 0. And then multiply both sides by minus 1. 3x minus y plus 2 equals 0. Okay. So that's questions 1 and 2 sorted. 15.5, 1 and 2. And now we have 7. Y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So this is m, and this is x1 and y1. Okay, so it's going to be y, it's going to be minus minus 1, which is a plus 1. It's going to be n, which is minus 4 over 3. Please remember, when you're dealing with fractions, allocate the negative to the numerator, the top part, not the denominator, if you can. Okay, and then it's going to be minus minus 3, which will make a plus 3. Now, here's the trick. The 3 is division on the right, which can make it multiplication on the left. So you multiply 3 by y plus 1, and you get 3y plus 3. You multiply in your minus 4, and you get minus 4x minus 12. Bring the 4x and 12 to the left, so we get 4x plus 3y. And then we get plus 3 plus 12 equals 0. Then we get 4x plus 3y plus 15 equals 0. Okay, so hopefully that works out all right for you. So that's 1, 2, and 7 done. Next we're going to do is 1, 2, 7, and 9. Okay, same deal here. Y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1. You know your m value is minus 1 over 6. There's your x1 value and your y1 value. So it's going to be y. Once again, it's going to be minus minus 3, which will make it plus 3. Then the m value, put the minus on the numerator. and then it's going to be x minus 3 over here. This 6 on the right becomes multiplication on the left, so it's going to be 6y plus 18. Then it's going to be minus 1 times x, which is minus 1x. Minus 1 times 3 is going to be plus 3. Move everything to the left, so we get x plus 6y plus 18 minus 3 equals 0. And then we get x plus 6y, 18 take away 3 is 15, equal to 0. So that's question 9, 1, 2, 7, and 9. 12. Find the equation of the line. So it's y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1, x1, y1, m. Minus minus 2 is plus 2. Then it's minus a half into x minus x1. So it's x minus 3. Bring the division of 2 on the right is multiplication of 2 on the left, so it's going to be 2y plus 4. Then minus 1 times x is minus 1x. Minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. And then we get plus 1x plus 2y. And then 4 take away 3 is plus 1. Equal to 0. 1, 2, 7, 9, 12. 12 and 13. Okay, the time required to cook a particular food is 30 minutes plus 20 minutes per kilogram. How long would it take to cook 2 kilograms? Well, 2 multiplied by 20 is 40, plus 30 is 70 minutes. How long would it take to cook 5 kilograms? Well, I think that would be your 30 minutes, which is guaranteed, plus number of kilograms multiplied by 20, so 5 times 20. So 30 plus 5 times 20. 5 times 20 is 100. 100 plus 30 is 130 minutes. Find the equation of the line containing the points 0, 30 and a slope of 20. All right, I'll do part 3 here. So it's going to be y minus y1 equals m dash x minus x1. M is 20. And the point in question is x1 is 0 and y1 is 30. So y minus 30 equals 20 into x minus x1 is 0. Y minus 30 equals 20x. Move it to the left. Minus 20x plus y minus 30 equals 0. 20x minus y plus 30 equals 0. Use a suitable scale, graph this line, and describe the axis as time and kilograms as appropriate. Using your graph, find the time needed to cook 3 kilograms, the time needed to cook 4 kilograms, and how much food can be safely cooked in 2 hours. Okay, give me a second. Alright guys, so what we're going to do here is we know it's the point 0, 30, but we actually have some points on this graph, okay? So think about it. 1 kilogram, or sorry, 0 kilograms is 30 minutes, means you're cooking nothing. We know 2 kilograms is 70 minutes, and then we also know 5 kilograms is 130. So you can see the sort of numbers I'm looking at: 0, 30, 270, 5, 130. Okay, so I'm going to have to count up in a lot of tens, okay? So I'm going to make a graph like this. Like so. Now this point here is 0, 0, so we're going to, suppose we can go up in tens. So that's 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, where's 90? There's 90, 10, 20, 30, so sorry, that's 120, 130, 140, 150, then 160, 170, 180. Okay, so this is a time on the y-axis and then kilograms on the x-axis. So this will be, call that 1 kilograms, 2 kilogram, 3 kilograms, 4 kilograms, and 5 kilograms, 6 kilograms, and 7 kilograms. Right, now look what happens. You have 0, 30, which is this point here. And then what did we say? We had 270. So 70 is here. And we also had 5 kilograms took 130. Which I believe is here. And if we do this correctly, you only ever need 2 points anyway, but it should make a line for us. We can continue that line up forever. Okay. Now this is our equation of our line. So this is part 4 done. Okay. Use your graph to find the time needed to cook 3 kilograms. Well, to cook 3 kilograms, what we do is we go to the 3 kilogram mark, like so. We go straight up. We go straight across. 90 minutes to cook 3 kilograms. And 4 kilograms will be, go to 4 kilograms, go straight up, go straight across. That'll be 110. So the answer to those two questions respectively are 90 and 110. How much food can be safely cooked in 2 hours? Well, 2 hours is 120 minutes. So we go to 120 minutes on the graph here. And this time we go the opposite way. So we hit it here, go straight down. I think it's roughly 4.33 kilograms, 4 1/3. So 4.33 kilograms will be my estimation there. Okay guys, and that's these questions done.